Dr. Beasley's Glass Serum Pro Kit is a super hydrophobic, contaminant-resistant ceramic coating system for automotive glass. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Inside the kit, you will find a 15 milliliter bottle of Glass Serum Pro, a 2-ounce bottle of glass coating prep, and finally a foam block applicator with a suede cloth. Things you will need: a machine buffer with a foam finishing pad, painter's tape, and several microfiber towels. For the purposes of this video, the glass surface we'll be using today is a car windshield, but keep in mind that Glass Serum Pro can be applied to any glass surface. It's best to do this type of detailing in a controlled, well-ventilated environment, like a garage. Step 1. Tape off the perimeter of your glass to avoid coating any non-glass surfaces. Then, clean the glass surface with an ammonia-free glass cleaner, like Dr. Beasley's Glass Cleanser, raising your windshield wipers if necessary. Step 2. Take the glass coating prep from the kit and shake thoroughly. Then spray it onto the glass and wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. Step 3. Now take the Glass Serum Pro and give it a good shake as well. Holding the bottle about 6 inches from the glass, spray the glass 8 to 10 times in an even pattern, covering the entire surface. Step 4. Take the foam applicator block and wrap it with the suede cloth. Prime the suede wrapped applicator with 1 spray of Glass Serum Pro. Then move it in overlapping vertical lines down the glass, as seen here. Then, go back and move the applicator in overlapping horizontal lines across the glass. This crosshatch pattern will ensure full coverage. Then repeat the prep and application steps on the remaining portion of your windshield and on the rest of your windows. Step 5. Now take a break and let the product dry for about 30 minutes to an hour, after which you may see a faint haze. Step 6. Once the product has dried, you'll need to remove the excess to get the full clarity Glass Serum Pro provides. To do this, buff the glass with a machine buffer using a soft, clean foam finishing pad or cotton bonnet on a low to medium setting. You may need to wet the pad slightly to prevent the buffer from jumping. After buffing, inspect the surface for any remaining residue and wipe clean with a fresh microfiber towel. Once you've removed the excess product, avoid using your wipers for at least 2 hours after application. In addition, we recommend waiting 7 days before washing your windshield. To keep your coating performing at a high level, add a shot of Dr. Beasley's Advanced Coat Glass whenever refilling your windshield wiper fluid reservoir. Keep in mind your reservoir must have at least 1 gallon of wiper fluid before adding the shot. Your application is now complete. With the coating applied, your glass will repel rain, mud, and snow while resisting any staining contaminants.